The 7 best daily habits to improve kidney health in 21 days. Did you know that your kidneys filter over 50 gallons of blood every single day? These small bean-shaped organs work tirelessly to remove toxins, balance fluids, and maintain a healthy internal environment for your body. Yet, for the critical work they do, most of us don't think much about our kidneys until they start sending alerts. Poor kidney health often starts with subtle symptoms that many people overlook: fatigue, swelling in the hands and feet, frequent or infrequent urination, difficulty concentrating, and even changes in appetite or sleep patterns. Some may experience hypertension, or a persistent metallic taste in their mouth. Sound familiar? The good news is that you don't have to wait for these symptoms to worsen. By making some targeted changes to your daily habits, you can significantly improve your kidney health and prevent these issues from worsening. In fact, with the right approach, you could start feeling better in just 21 days. Stay with me as we count down the 7 most effective daily habits to give your kidneys the care they truly deserve. Habit number 7: staying hydrated the right way. Water is the lifeblood of your kidneys, but did you know that how you drink water is just as important as the amount you drink? Staying properly hydrated helps your kidneys efficiently eliminate toxins and waste from the blood. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water spread throughout the day, but don't overdo it all at once. Sipping water consistently is much better than gulping down large amounts at once, as it allows your kidneys to function more effectively without being overwhelmed. Here's a crucial tip: stay away from sugary drinks like sodas or energy drinks, as they can cause dehydration and put unnecessary strain on your kidneys over time. Adding a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water can make it more appealing while also providing additional health benefits. Remember, proper hydration is your kidney's best friend. Habit number 6: eat more potassium-rich foods, but not too much. Potassium is a vital mineral that supports your kidneys by balancing electrolytes and fluid levels in your body. Incorporating potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, sweet potatoes, spinach, and avocados into your diet can improve kidney function and overall health. However, the key is moderation. If you have underlying kidney issues or conditions like chronic kidney disease, too much potassium can become harmful, leading to irregular heartbeats or muscle weakness. Consult your doctor or a dietitian to determine the right amount for your specific needs. For most people, a balanced intake of potassium can reduce the risk of kidney stones, support healthy blood pressure levels. So, enjoy those nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables, but always stay aware of your body's limits. Habit number 5: exercise regularly. Did you know that regular physical activity not only helps you stay fit, but also plays a key role in keeping your kidneys healthy? Exercise improves blood circulation, reduces stress, and helps manage blood pressure, all crucial factors for kidney health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity every day, whether it's a brisk walk, swimming, yoga, or even dancing. These activities promote better oxygen flow to your organs, reducing the workload on your kidneys. If you're new to exercising, start small. Even a short 10-minute walk after meals can improve your overall kidney function, and don't forget to pair exercise with proper hydration. Especially if you sweat a lot, remember, consistency is key. A daily workout routine can be transformative, not just for your kidneys but for your entire body. Habit number 4: reduce salt. Salt can add flavor to your meals, but too much can harm your kidneys. Sodium, a main component of salt, causes your body to retain water, raising blood pressure and forcing your kidneys to work harder. Over time, this additional stress can damage your kidneys and lead to long-term health issues. Start by reducing your intake of processed foods like chips, frozen meals, and canned soups, as they are often loaded with hidden sodium. Instead, choose fresh, whole ingredients, and season your meals with natural herbs and spices like garlic, rosemary, and turmeric. These not only enhance flavor, but also provide additional health benefits. When eating out, ask for low-sodium options, or request that your food be prepared with little salt. Remember, your taste buds will gradually adjust to lower sodium levels, and your kidneys will thank you for the reduced load. Habit number 3. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are a hidden danger to kidney health. These foods, like packaged snacks, deli meats, fast food, and sugary sweets, are typically high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, all harmful to your kidneys. Over time, they can contribute to hypertension, obesity, and diabetes, creating a domino effect that puts immense pressure on your kidneys. To protect your kidneys, replace processed foods with fresh, nutrient-rich options. Include more whole grains, fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats like those found in nuts and seeds. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and avoid hidden additives found in pre-packaged meals. If you're short on time, consider meal prepping over the weekend to ensure you have healthy options ready to go. Making these small changes can reduce stress on the kidneys and lead to a healthier, happier you. Habit number 2. Avoid using pain relievers. Pain relievers like ibuprofen, aspirin, and naproxen help with pain, but did you know they can silently damage your kidneys if used too much? These medications, known as NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, reduce blood flow to the kidneys. Over time, can lead to chronic kidney damage. The risk increases if you already have high blood pressure, diabetes, or pre-existing kidney problems. Instead of taking a pill at the first sign of discomfort, explore alternative methods to manage pain. Options like stretching exercises, meditation, heat or cold therapy, and natural anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric or ginger can provide relief without harming your kidneys. If you need to take pain relievers, use them sparingly, and always follow your doctor's advice. Remember, protecting your kidneys today means fewer health complications tomorrow, so think twice before taking that pill. Habit number 1. Getting enough sleep. Sleep is often underestimated when it comes to kidney health, but it's one of the most critical habits you can adopt. During sleep, your body undergoes essential repair processes, including the regeneration of the kidneys. Poor sleep quality or lack of sleep disrupts these processes, increasing the risk of hypertension, diabetes, and even kidney disease. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night by establishing a consistent sleep routine. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and screen time at least an hour before bed to create an environment conducive to quality sleep. Consider practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness meditation to calm your mind and body. Investing in a comfortable mattress and ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool can make a significant difference. Sleep is not just rest, it's a powerful tool to recharge your kidneys and protect your overall long-term health. There you go. 7 powerful daily habits that can transform your kidney health in just 21 days. Remember, your kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body, working tirelessly every day to keep you healthy and balanced. By making these small but significant changes to your lifestyle, you're not just protecting your kidneys, you're investing in your overall well-being. Start today, one habit at a time, and watch the incredible difference it makes. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, take a moment to share it with someone you care about. Together, we can help more people live healthier and happier lives.